VMware Carbon Black Cloud Online Training. Introduction to VMware Carbon Black Cloud. VMware Carbon Black Cloud is a comprehensive security platform designed to provide advanced threat detection, prevention, and response capabilities. It is part of VMware's broader suite of security solutions, focusing on endpoint protection and response. Here's an introduction to its key features and functionalities. 1. Endpoint protection. Behavioral EDR. Carbon Black Cloud uses behavioral-based detection to identify and prevent threats by analyzing endpoint activity for suspicious behavior rather than relying solely on signature-based methods. Threat intelligence. It leverages threat intelligence to detect and block known threats and provides insights into emerging threats. Anti-malware. The platform includes traditional anti-malware capabilities to protect against known viruses and other malicious software. 2. Cloud-native architecture. Scalability. As a cloud-native solution, Carbon Black Cloud scales easily to accommodate growing organizations without the need for additional on-premises hardware. Centralized management. It provides a single pane of glass for managing and monitoring security across all endpoints, simplifying administration and response. 3. Advanced threat detection and response. Incident response. The platform includes tools for investigating and responding to incidents, such as forensic analysis and detailed threat intelligence. Automated response. Automated response actions can be configured to handle threats quickly, such as isolating an endpoint or killing malicious processes. 4. Integration and compatibility. API integration. Carbon Black Cloud integrates with other security tools and platforms through APIs, allowing for a more cohesive security strategy. CM integration. It can send logs and alerts to security information and event management (CM) systems for centralized monitoring and correlation. 5. Threat hunting. Query capabilities. Security teams can perform advanced searches and queries across endpoints to hunt for potential threats and gather evidence. Custom detection rules. Users can create custom detection rules to identify specific threats or behaviors relevant to their environment. 6. Security analytics. Dashboard and reporting. The platform offers dashboards and reporting features to provide insights into security posture, incidents, and trends. Data correlation. It correlates data from various sources to provide a comprehensive view of endpoint security. 7. User-friendly interface. Intuitive UI. The interface is designed to be user-friendly, making it easier for security teams to navigate and manage their security posture. 8. Compliance and governance. Regulatory compliance. Carbon Black Cloud helps organizations meet regulatory requirements by providing visibility and control over endpoint security. Audit trails. It maintains detailed logs of security events and actions taken, which can be useful for audits and compliance reporting. VMware Carbon Black Cloud Architecture. VMware Carbon Black Cloud is a comprehensive endpoint protection platform designed to provide advanced threat detection and response capabilities. Its architecture integrates various components to offer robust security solutions. Here's an overview of its architecture. 1. Data collection. Endpoints. Carbon Black Cloud agents are deployed on endpoints, workstations, servers, and mobile devices. These agents collect telemetry data, including process execution, file changes, network connections, and more. Sensors. These sensors capture real-time data and metadata from endpoints. They provide visibility into system behavior and potential threats. 2. Data ingestion. Agent communication. The agents continuously send data to the Carbon Black Cloud platform over secure channels. Cloud integration. Data from endpoints is ingested into the cloud platform. This includes logs, events, and alerts generated by the sensors. 3. Data processing. Threat intelligence integration. The platform integrates with threat intelligence feeds to enrich data with contextual information about known threats. Behavioral analysis. Advanced analytics and machine learning models analyze the collected data to detect suspicious or malicious behavior. This includes analyzing process execution patterns, file behavior, and network activity. 4. Threat detection. Automated analysis. The platform uses automated tools to detect and investigate potential threats. It applies behavioral analysis, heuristic rules, and machine learning algorithms. Alert generation. When a potential threat is detected, the platform generates alerts and provides detailed information for further investigation. 5. Response and remediation. Incident response. Security teams can respond to detected threats through the platform. They can take actions such as isolating endpoints, killing malicious processes, and quarantining files. Automated remediation. The platform supports automated response actions based on predefined policies and rules. 6. Management and reporting. Dashboard. The Carbon Black Cloud platform provides a centralized dashboard for monitoring and managing security events and incidents. It offers visualizations and reports on endpoint status, threat trends, and response actions. Policy management. Administrators can configure and manage security policies for endpoints through the platform's management console. 7. Integration and API. Third-party integration. The platform integrates with other security tools and systems, such as SIEMs, Security Information and Event Management, and SOAR, Security Orchestration, Automation, and Response Solutions. API access. Carbon Black Cloud offers APIs for programmatic access to data and functionality, enabling custom integrations and automations. 8. Scalability and cloud architecture. Cloud-native design. The platform is built with a cloud-native architecture, allowing for scalability and flexibility. It leverages cloud infrastructure for data storage, processing, and management. Global data centers. Carbon Black Cloud operates in multiple global data centers to ensure high availability and performance. Deployment models for VMware Carbon Black Cloud. VMware Carbon Black Cloud provides several deployment models to suit different organizational needs and infrastructure setups. Here's an overview of the primary deployment models for VMware Carbon Black Cloud. Cloud-managed deployment. Description. The most common deployment model, where the Carbon Black Cloud platform is hosted and managed entirely by VMware in the cloud. Advantages. Scalability. easily scales with your organization's needs. Reduced overhead, no need for on-premises infrastructure management. Up-to-date, always running the latest version with continuous updates and improvements. Considerations: requires a stable internet connection for access and data transmission. On-premises deployment. Description: Carbon Black Cloud components are installed on servers within the organization's data center. Advantages: data control, full control over data storage and processing. Compliance, useful for organizations with strict compliance or regulatory requirements. Considerations: maintenance, requires internal resources for hardware and software maintenance. Scalability, may require additional planning for scaling and capacity management. Hybrid deployment. Description: combines elements of both cloud and on-premises deployments. For instance, core management functionalities may be hosted in the cloud, while sensitive data is kept on-premises. Advantages: flexibility, allows organizations to leverage cloud benefits while addressing data sovereignty or compliance needs. Optimized performance, critical or high-performance tasks can be handled on-premises. Considerations: complexity, can be more complex to configure and manage due to the interplay between cloud and on-premises components. Managed Service Provider (MSP) deployment. Description: Carbon Black Cloud services are provided by a managed service provider who handles the deployment, management, and maintenance on behalf of the organization. Advantages: expertise, access to specialized expertise and resources without needing in-house management. Cost efficiency, potentially reduces costs related to staffing and infrastructure. Considerations: vendor dependence, relies on the MSP for service quality and performance. Customization, may have limitations on customization compared to direct deployments. VMware Carbon Black Cloud for endpoint protection. VMware Carbon Black Cloud is a comprehensive endpoint protection platform designed to defend against modern threats, including malware, ransomware, and advanced persistent threats. It offers a range of features and capabilities to secure endpoints effectively. Key features: Next Generation Antivirus (NGAV) utilizes behavioral analysis and machine learning to detect and block threats based on their behavior, rather than relying solely on traditional signature-based methods. Endpoint Detection and Response (EDR) provides advanced visibility into endpoint activity, allowing for the detection and investigation of suspicious behavior. This includes real-time monitoring and historical analysis of endpoint data. Threat Intelligence Integration incorporates threat intelligence feeds to enhance detection capabilities and provide context around emerging threats. Behavioral Threat Detection monitors for suspicious behaviors and activities, such as unusual file changes or unauthorized access attempts, and uses this data to identify potential threats. Automated Response and Remediation enables automatic response actions to contain and remediate threats, such as isolating affected endpoints or killing malicious processes. Cloud-native architecture operates in the cloud, offering scalability, flexibility, and reduced management overhead. This also ensures that the platform can provide up-to-date protection without the need for frequent updates. Unified Management Console, centralized interface for managing endpoint protection policies, monitoring security events, and conducting investigations. Integration with other VMware products. Seamlessly integrates with other VMware solutions, such as VMware NSX for network security and VMware vSphere for virtualized environments, providing a cohesive security ecosystem. Advanced Analytics uses data analytics to provide insights into endpoint activity, helping organizations understand attack patterns and improve overall security posture. Compliance and Reporting includes features for generating compliance reports and ensuring adherence to regulatory requirements. Use cases. Ransomware protection detects and prevents ransomware attacks by identifying and blocking malicious behaviors before they can cause damage. Zero-day threat defense provides protection against new and unknown threats by leveraging behavioral analysis and machine learning. Incident response helps security teams respond quickly to incidents by providing detailed forensic data and automated remediation options. Benefits: enhanced security posture. By combining multiple layers of protection, VMware Carbon Black Cloud helps organizations stay ahead of evolving threats. Reduced management overhead. The cloud-native approach simplifies deployment and management, reducing the need for on-premises infrastructure and frequent updates. VMware Carbon Black Cloud Integration. VMware Carbon Black Cloud is a comprehensive endpoint security platform that provides advanced threat detection and response capabilities. Integrating VMware Carbon Black Cloud with other tools and systems can enhance your organization's security posture by improving visibility, automating responses, and streamlining workflows. Here are some key aspects of VMware Carbon Black Cloud integration. 1. Integration with CM systems. Purpose: centralize security data and correlate alerts from VMware Carbon Black Cloud with other security data sources. Benefits: improved threat detection, faster incident response, and more effective security monitoring. Example integrations: Splunk, IBM QRadar, ArcSight, LogRhythm. 2. Integration with SOAR platforms. Purpose: automate incident response and streamline workflows. Benefits: faster response times, reduced manual effort, and consistent handling of security incidents. Example integrations: Palo Alto Networks Cortex XSOAR, IBM Resilient, Demisto. 3. Integration with IT Service Management, ITSM, tools. Purpose: manage security incidents and integrate with IT operations. Benefits: streamlined ticketing processes, better coordination between IT and security teams, and enhanced visibility into incident management. Example integrations: ServiceNow, BMC Remedy, Cherwell. 4. Integration with threat intelligence platforms. Purpose: enrich security alerts with contextual threat intelligence. Benefits: better threat detection, enhanced understanding of threat landscape, and improved incident response. Example integrations: Threat Connect, Recorded Future, Anomaly. 5. Integration with cloud security solutions. Purpose: secure cloud environments and manage security policies across multiple cloud providers. Benefits: consistent security posture across cloud and on-premises environments, improved visibility, and simplified management. Example integrations: AWS Security Hub, Microsoft Azure Security Center, Google Cloud Security Command Center. 6. Integration with endpoint management systems. Purpose: ensure security policies and configurations are applied consistently across all endpoints. Benefits: improved compliance, better endpoint visibility, and streamlined management. Example integrations: VMware Workspace ONE, Microsoft Intune, Jamf. 7. Integration with network security solutions. Purpose: enhance network visibility and security by correlating endpoint data with network traffic. Benefits: improved threat detection, more comprehensive security posture, and better incident correlation. Example integrations: Cisco Umbrella, Palo Alto Networks Next-Gen Firewall, Fortinet FortiGate. Key considerations for integration: API availability. Check if VMware Carbon Black Cloud provides APIs for integration with other systems. Data synchronization. Ensure that data from VMware Carbon Black Cloud is synchronized and consistent with other security tools. Automation capabilities. Leverage automation to reduce manual tasks and improve efficiency in incident response and threat management. Custom integrations. For specific needs, custom integrations might be necessary to achieve optimal results. Configuring policies in VMware Carbon Black Cloud. Configuring policies in VMware Carbon Black Cloud involves several steps to ensure effective endpoint protection and threat management. Here's an overview of how to configure policies within the VMware Carbon Black Cloud platform. 1. Access the VMware Carbon Black Cloud console. Log in to the VMware Carbon Black Cloud console using your administrative credentials. 2. Navigate to the Policies section. Go to the Policies tab from the main menu. This section allows you to view, create, and manage policies for different aspects of endpoint security. 3. Create a new policy. Click on Create Policy or a similar button to start configuring a new policy. You'll typically be prompted to select the type of policy you want to create, such as antivirus, EDR, endpoint detection and response, or others. 4. Define policy scope. Select the scope. Decide which devices or groups of devices the policy will apply to. You can choose specific endpoints, groups, or organizational units. Assign tags. If applicable, use tags to categorize and apply policies more granularly. 5. Configure policy settings. Threat detection settings. Adjust settings related to threat detection, such as enabling or disabling certain types of detections, example, malware, ransomware. Prevention settings. Configure prevention measures like blocking known threats or restricting application behaviors. Response settings. Set up response actions for detected threats, including automated responses or alerts. Exclusions. Specify files, processes, or applications that should be excluded from scanning or monitoring if necessary. 6. Set up custom rules. Create custom rules. Define custom rules for more specific scenarios, such as blocking certain file types or network behaviors. Rule order. Arrange the order of custom rules if multiple rules are applied, as the order can affect rule execution. 7. Review and save policy. Review settings. Ensure all configurations are correct and aligned with your security requirements. Save policy. Save the policy and assign it to the selected scope. Ensure the policy is properly deployed to the endpoints. 8. Monitor and adjust policies. Monitor policy effectiveness. Use the VMware Carbon Black Cloud dashboard to monitor the impact of the policy and identify any issues or areas for improvement. Adjust policies as needed, based on monitoring results and changing security needs. Adjust policy settings or create new policies to address evolving threats. 9. Compliance and reporting. Generate reports. Utilize reporting features to generate compliance and security reports related to the policies in place. Audit trails. Review audit trails to ensure policy changes and enforcement actions are logged for accountability and compliance purposes. Threat detection and response with VMware Carbon Black Cloud. VMware Carbon Black Cloud offers a comprehensive suite of tools for threat detection and response, integrating endpoint protection, cloud security, and threat intelligence. Here's a deeper look into its features and capabilities. 1. Endpoint protection. Behavioral threat detection. Carbon Black Cloud uses behavioral analysis to detect malicious activities based on the behavior of processes, rather than relying solely on signature-based methods. This helps in identifying zero-day attacks and advanced threats. Advanced threat detection. The platform employs machine learning and artificial intelligence to analyze and detect sophisticated threats. It uses a combination of static and dynamic analysis to identify anomalies and potential threats. Full visibility provides deep visibility into endpoint activities, including process executions, file modifications, and network connections, enabling security teams to understand and respond to threats effectively. 2. Cloud security. Cloud workload protection secures cloud-based workloads and applications by providing visibility into cloud infrastructure, detecting misconfigurations, and identifying vulnerabilities. Integration with cloud services. Carbon Black Cloud integrates with major cloud providers to ensure that security policies are enforced across all environments, whether on-premises or in the cloud. 3. Threat intelligence. Threat intelligence integration. The platform integrates with global threat intelligence feeds to provide contextual information about threats and adversaries. This enhances the ability to identify and respond to emerging threats. Threat hunting. Carbon Black Cloud enables proactive threat hunting by providing security analysts with advanced search capabilities and analytical tools to identify potential threats before they manifest. 4. Automated response. Automated remediation. The platform supports automated response actions to contain and remediate threats, such as isolating compromised endpoints or terminating malicious processes. Custom response playbooks. Security teams can create and deploy custom response playbooks to automate incident response processes, reducing the time and effort required to handle security incidents. 5. Incident response and forensics. Investigation and Analysis provides tools for investigating security incidents, including detailed forensics and timeline analysis. This helps in understanding the attack vectors and mitigating similar threats in the future. Endpoint forensics collects and analyzes data from endpoints to provide insights into attack methods, data exfiltration, and other critical aspects of an incident. 6. Integration and Scalability. API integration. Carbon Black Cloud offers APIs for integration with other security solutions such as SIEMs, Security Information and Event Management, and SOAR, Security Orchestration, Automation, and Response platforms. Scalability, designed to scale with the organization's needs, accommodating a growing number of endpoints and cloud environments without compromising performance or security. Why choose ProExcellency for VMware Carbon Black Cloud online training? Choosing ProExcellency for VMware Carbon Black Cloud online training could offer several benefits. Expert instructors. ProExcellency often employs industry experts with extensive experience in VMware Carbon Black Cloud, providing high-quality training and practical insights. Comprehensive curriculum. Their training programs typically cover a wide range of topics, from basic concepts to advanced features, ensuring a thorough understanding of VMware Carbon Black Cloud. Hands-on experience. ProExcellency often includes practical labs and real-world scenarios, allowing you to apply what you've learned in a controlled environment. Flexibility. Online training options provide the flexibility to learn at your own pace and on your own schedule, which can be particularly advantageous if you have a busy professional life. Support and resources. Access to additional resources such as study materials, forums, and support from instructors can enhance your learning experience and help you address any challenges you encounter. Certification preparation. If you're aiming for certification, ProExcellency's courses are usually designed to prepare you for VMware Carbon Black Cloud certification exams, including practice tests and exam tips. Reputation and reviews. Positive feedback and testimonials from past students can indicate the quality and effectiveness of their training programs. Thank you.